Online services in operations management have brought about transformative benefits, enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving the overall customer experience. However, these advancements also present significant challenges, such as data security risks and reliance on technology. Let's explore the advantages of online services in operations management, using real-world examples to highlight their impact on businesses. Online services have greatly increased operational efficiency by automating many previously manual processes, such as inventory management and order fulfillment. For example, Amazon's sophisticated online systems manage its extensive inventory and fulfillment network. By using algorithms to optimize stock levels and shipping routes, Amazon has significantly improved its operational speed and accuracy, allowing the company to offer same-day and next-day delivery. This efficiency has revolutionized e-commerce and set new standards for customer service. In addition to efficiency, cost reduction is a major advantage of online services. Automation reduces the need for manual labor and minimizes errors, leading to significant savings. Fast fashion retailer Zara uses an advanced online supply chain management system that helps predict trends and manage inventory. By avoiding overproduction and minimizing stockouts, Zara reduces inventory costs and cuts unnecessary expenses, allowing the company to maintain its competitive pricing. The customer experience is also vastly improved through online services. Companies can provide faster, more reliable service with real-time order tracking, 24/7 customer support, and seamless transactions. Domino's Pizza, for instance, has an online ordering platform that allows customers to track their orders from the moment they are placed to delivery. This real-time visibility enhances the customer experience by providing convenience and transparency, which boosts customer satisfaction and loyalty. Online services also offer businesses enhanced flexibility and scalability. Shopify, for example, provides an online platform that allows companies to easily manage their e-commerce operations and scale their businesses without significant investments in physical infrastructure. This scalability has empowered numerous startups and small businesses to expand their reach and grow rapidly. Real-time data access and analytics are additional benefits, allowing businesses to make informed decisions and optimize their operations. UPS uses an online route optimization system that tracks deliveries in real time and adjusts routes based on traffic conditions. This system saves UPS millions in fuel costs and reduces delivery times, enhancing operational efficiency across the board. However, the reliance on online services also brings challenges, particularly in terms of data security and privacy risks. The 2017 Equifax data breach, where the personal information of 147 million individuals was exposed, is a stark reminder of the potential dangers. This breach resulted in hefty fines for Equifax and a severe loss of consumer trust, underlining the importance of strong cybersecurity measures for businesses that rely on online services. Technical issues and downtime are another concern. In 2021, a major outage affected Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, disrupting millions of businesses that depend on these platforms for communication and marketing. The interruption not only affected daily operations, but also resulted in lost revenue and customer dissatisfaction. Implementing advanced online systems can require significant investment and ongoing maintenance costs, which may be prohibitive for smaller businesses. SAP's Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) systems, while powerful, can be expensive to implement. This creates a barrier for smaller companies that may not see an immediate return on investment. Additionally, Overdependence on technology can create vulnerabilities. For example, Delta Airlines faced significant operational disruptions in 2017 when its online booking and check-in systems crashed. Thousands of flights were delayed or cancelled, costing the airline millions and damaging its reputation for reliability. Moreover, while automation brings efficiency, it can sometimes diminish the quality of customer interaction. Amazon, for example, relies heavily on automated systems like AI-powered chatbots for customer service. While efficient, many customers have expressed frustration with the lack of human interaction, particularly when dealing with complex issues. This can negatively impact customer satisfaction in sectors where personalized service is highly valued. Lastly, the risk of over-automation is a concern. Tesla, in 2018, faced production delays due to an over-reliance on automated production lines, which led to bottlenecks. The company had to revert to manual methods temporarily, highlighting the need for a balance between automation and human oversight. In conclusion, online services in operations management offer numerous benefits, from increased efficiency and cost savings to improved customer experience and scalability. Businesses such as Amazon, Zara, and Domino's have successfully leveraged these technologies to gain competitive advantages and streamline operations. However, these advantages come with significant challenges, including data security risks, technical dependencies, and potential losses in human interaction. To fully capitalize on the potential of online services, businesses must carefully balance the efficiencies of automation with the need for strong cybersecurity, reliable systems, and personalized customer experiences.